the short name of the course which appears in the navigation bar. You also can change the format of how your resources and activities are displayed. You will see the course is in weekly format. For instance, we can rename the weeks. Many of the changes can be done by going to the gear menu on top right corner and clicking the edit settings. This takes you to the set of settings of your course. You can change if you need to the full name, the short name, and again if you allowed by the organizer in the category type too. You can hide the course until it is ready. And then you can set the course dates too. Although note that the end date will not prevent you from accessing the course. If you further scroll down, you can also add a description of your course for the students who want not yet enroll, and if you wish you can upload a file, for instance, and images of some information about your course. You also can further upload other supported files. The file formats are given below. If we click on the course format, this is where we can choose how you want the resources and activities to be displayed. Topics give us numbered topic sections. We also can even select weekly format where sections are named as weeks. Social format is one big message board for discussions, or single activity format which allows you to add just one particular item such as a Scrum package or a quiz. If we choose topics or weekly format, we can then decide whether we want to show up all the sections on one page, which is what we will do, which is the norm. But if you think you're gonna have lots of sections and that would cause some scrolling, then you can choose to show only one section per page. This has an effect of how your students view your course. You can switch the role to see how students see it. If you go back to the edit settings by turning the editing on, the appearance allows you to decide how many news items you want to show in the announcement form. If you set it to 0, you can delete the announcement form if you don't think it will be useful to you and your learners. Options can be explored by clicking on them and expanding them. For instance, if we click on role renaming, if you don't want to call your students as students but you want a different name as learners, for instance, you can change the name here and that will appear just in your course. You also can add text to your course which help the new students to search for it. If we now click on Save and Display, then in the next video we will turn on editing and look at the changes that we can make to a course.